Hello everyone, I just want to thank all of you for making AliveMax one of the fastest growing companies in the entire world. Our product line, the way we do the research and development, it's been an amazing blessing. We use the best ingredients money can buy, and as you can tell, in the past 3.5 years, almost in every brand new batch of our sprays and our Revolution skincare products, we increase the potency, the quality of the products. And I just wanted to send this short video to you all, and you can see your pictures probably rolling on the side. And we're so thankful to be a part of a company that has amazing leaders like you all over Asia, of course Kazakhstan and Mongolia, South Korea, Ukraine, Russia, all over the European Union. You leaders have been an amazing blessing to my family and I, my children. We just love being able to work with you all. Oh, there comes my wife. This is Melissa, and Melissa, you want to say hi to everyone?
Hi everyone, I just want to thank all the international leaders for doing such an amazing job in AliveMax. We love you guys.
Aww. Thank you, thank you. So, sorry about that little interruption. My beautiful wife, couldn't do anything without her, so we're just again so thankful for what you all doing. As you know, we've given away about 20-25 cars to well-deserved leaders all over the world. As I mentioned the name of the countries, I just love handing out these keys and the cash prizes, and again, without you and without what our products are doing, we could not be where we are. The value of our company, integrity is number one, product quality is number two, the uniqueness, nobody can duplicate our products. We own all of the equipment. We're so blessed to be a part of the next revolution in the home-based business, but more importantly, allowing people to stay home with their loved ones and make either a part-time or life-changing income. And then, oh, there's one of my kids. This is Joseph. Come on. You guys see Joseph? That's my boy. He's a little shy type. Sorry, we're doing this in our backyard. We just had a wedding, so I'm not at the office or the factory. You're gonna see some videos of the factory. Oh, there's somebody else coming, everyone. Oh, there's my little girl, my Jaylin. Oh, she's a little shy. Jaylin, look at the camera. There's my Jaylin, and she's our youngest baby. Okay, come on, mommy. So again, I just want to thank all of you all over Ukraine, all over Kazakhstan, Mongolia, South Korea, all over Europe with what you're doing. Again, you see some of the pictures going on the right and left. We're so thankful. We're creating some amazing new products for you all. So again, I want to thank you and God bless you all. Thank you very much from Anaheim, California, Nara Kazan. God bless.